Okay, say before World Cup ever come, I say even sports fund na yatino. Asat na yenim ne wom. Okay. I'm catching me so mo bad abay. Ti say the work can I feel no ma be chia yura. So okay.
Oh yeah, me kai pa.
Ti na de na asese na afi de atakra mo raise concerning.
Say be a minister ko within budget no. Na e ma na adwena ba so.
Kwame look. Hwe Ghana ha no. De say mehu ni say Kwame ye bibi fofra na enwa. Ye nya gisi wo say ade na nie Kwame ana ne woni ekim. The next week elkono we don't value you anymore. Either I will serve purpose e dey amaye and also ebeko otherwise we don't care anymore. Because sport fan Kwame ebaye you see the best thing sports minister Kwame sa initiative what they buy no the best thing on any day I was say nee otimi ye bibi na Kwame eno ebeye bibi a oni ho mpa Kwame debi ye de be kai no debi ye de be kai no Kwame sports fan no and serve purpose back. A idea about bois Ghana sports it cut across and antisa. But any yam found say a bayamina ye ban in ye yam found. As at now, Kwame, Sika dem will be on your way. Yanyawe and Kai because I quite remember Omugitu more parliament passes our bill no. And ye nyang amanfo akwam omo donate kakra de gogum entisa say president Kraira president also donate I think
is it 2 months salary yeah
committee akosi say we don't care intinesa asemba ne e ka yesre nyese ni pan ne e ta no dwumadie na ekoso no eno no ho asem ne hian Kwame again Sarasi kai dia ko World Cup akọ spending nyina Kwame so ni say World Cup sika be ba afia be ba kran one sports fan yen camp ne yati bia kotum
minister na ni abrepa
o the last time artist work kan wasem cry da be
ni abrepa
na ni na abre ne Kwame the last time a sports fan no what is say minister kan wasem Kwame da be
oh no din komo bia o kan
da ben Kwame okay
if you walk up by them and said and
if you walk before see e be ko
before I see e be kon there no can say
can you tell me no can be himfa Kwame
even
can you tell me e bia me go
okay say or your interview be kra my I think say boy say ye ko walk up na sky be nya no ye beti bia to sports fan
okay dey okay nyene
oh da bia be ko walk up no na enya June mu
World Cup you qualify that way.
Oh, send be match.
At the moment you be qualify, you be discuss World Cup concerning World Cup no bia based on World Cup abe.
As a World Cup no say qualify as a sports fan di omoja too.
You are not getting my point. My point is that the last time I would say all can wasem ya that way. I mean you are talking about you heard it some time ago. That is what you are talking about. But the point is, you don't even remember. Meaning say nyaneba. Meaning say nyaneba. I mean, you may be away. We are all trying to help. Say, dear, why you know? A super ban for some man, not at least a chinebino. Sports minister, you want more. Ya bonidi ya kasem. That is all I'm trying to do. Kwame. Adia way, I was say a force so. Near Brahma sports minister Kwame money we pay because you can't to me near Kwame said any habeba I refuse because Kwame apart from World Cup yen kanya meso no krese ehe fa pa na sika fufuro bi beba ye betina tibia koto apart from World Cup ehe fa Kwame and ye benye sika at least e be tibia koto sports fan ka bi kire me because a moment na ye jitu ye passes our bill na enei hona na manfo keka omo say kwame ni omo be donate dia koto sports fund kwame eni ni podo do send what is omo kan ho asem initiative be bio ana ho keka be bio ne de e work towards our sport fund no enti apart from World Cup si kan kwame one kasa no what transia na you analyzing no more where exactly are we going to get other source of income for that sports fund and you for you because me gidi say omo pass bill no kra no say na nya se ka mo mate kona e bia nkomo rafi
on pass sports bill no sports fund
me catch you say ene say nya se bia ye be ka mo makai a refresh omo say ade we kra ha me so sasa me nkomo rafi ente sa sports minister ana say finance minister say that akra ken kwa me so akọ ready budget mid year den budget wo me boa sika ye di shame for World Cup and a Black Star they say buy and am boa
sure
good enti de ehia omo no ne esefata no moko kan ho asem no ne ehia ene de esefata no kwame no moko kan ho asem no enti this is also part of sports minister wajuma to capture these staff to present to the finance minister or the necessary headquarters are also the call. Near the review about Adena or you know, any a year at the panel. Come here, better also. Now.